want to talk about how we can adjust column width and row height. If you look at this column, you see that the contents there are not showing fully. So we have to adjust the column width. And if you look at this heading, we see that the heading titles are not also showing fully. So we have to adjust the row height. So how do we adjust column width? Firstly, you can double click on the line demarcating the two columns. Double click on the line, then it will auto fit to the content. Another method is by dragging that line. That is another method. Another method that we can use is selecting the column and come to format under the home tab. You click on format, you select column width. Then you specify the value for it. Let's say 25. Yes, if it is too much, you can adjust it. Let's say 17. Now, how do we adjust the row height? You come to the row like this, the row here, the line demarcating the two rows, you drag it downward and it will adjust it. Or you double click on that line to auto adjust, to auto fit. And the last method that we can use is selecting the column and also come to the format under the home tab, select row height, specify the number that you want. Let's say 70. You press OK. It will adjust it. That is how we can adjust both the column width and the row height. Thank you.